Hey Forge fans, so in November and December we set you up for the following year. For this year, it's going to be your best year yet. I can feel it. So we got you started with getting your goals set, getting vision boards done, blocking your time, doing some video content, and now we're going to talk about conversations.
I am so excited because you guys, just to be honest with you, this is a game changer in my own business.
Huge.
Making sure I'm committed to making my calls every single day. But I had a lot of reserves about doing that. I had my insecurity. Oh, I don't want to bother people. I don't want to push too hard. There's all these things. And then also, why would they want it for me? All these things in my head.
You want to sound like a salesperson.
Yes, yes.
Right.
But I'm telling you, this is the key to making a 7-figure plus income. And it's consistent phone calls and being able to manage objections, having scripts that convert and actually get you the appointments. And we are so lucky. I have a good friend who trains nationally agents across the country. He does it daily. His name's Mustafa, and he is agreed to come and be our guest host today